Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the ACEDC Gamers Trifecta in Zirc for a quick comparison review. But hey, don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this stuff that I'm bringing to you guys. So quickly going through these three boys. First of all, I need to say a big thank you to my buddy Fidelis. He helps me to find some pretty good toys, and so I'm able to show it to you guys and share it with the community. So here we have the three gamers from ACEDC. This is the D-pad, this is the Gamer Pro, and this is the slider. And we've got some fantastic action going on. I mean, this is Zirc blasted finish for the three. You can also find these guys in cupro nickel, in titanium, copper, also exotic materials like mokutai, zircutai. You can find some pretty expensive options for these toys right over here, but let's just quickly compare them because they're really different, even if they look like kind of similar. So I mean, first of all, this is the classic configuration you have in a gamepad. You have the D-pad on this side, and you have the buttons maybe arranged like that. So on the pad, and these two are fantastic as well. And this is just a little bit different because this is also like a spinner. So this guy spins, and also it clicks here, not on the outer wheel, and also clicks the four buttons on the outside, and has two slots for treats on this side. No treats options for these guys. This is, of course, a clicker which is louder than that and louder than this, but this also is a haptic coin which can rotate in this direction, and you can see how it's made on the inside. You have these 6 neodymium magnets, and you've got the roller bearings on the other side, and you just close it. You can just rotate, making this sound, or no sound, click, and rotate and click at the same time, being like really obnoxious maybe for some people. I love the sounds. This is a little bit different because you can of course push the buttons, but this guy slides in the 4 directions. So you see it's kind of like hinged in the at the center. There's a cross section, and this guy is able to have 3 states on the horizontal axis and 3 on the vertical axis. But this guy also can rotate, and there's magnets underneath which are attracting this thing. So you can like click, rotate, and slide, creating this amazing and really complex noise. Really good. So I mean, these 3 are really fantastic toys. They're not cheap, especially in the Zirc configuration. These are also limited in quantities, so they're going to be quite hard to find. They're all sold out, only available in the secondary market, but you can definitely try them, and you can definitely see for yourself maybe other materials if you enjoy them. And let's just quickly check the weight of these 3 guys, because these are not light, guys. There's a lot of parts, a lot of things going on inside this one. This the slider is going to be weighing in at 4.23 ounces. The Gamer Pro is gonna be weighing in at 3 ounces, and the D-pad is gonna do 2.98 ounces. So they are not like super light in the pocket, but they are absolutely fantastic. The sound is great. The feel in the hand is just off the charts. Like, probably this is the most complex that I have, and probably my favorite, but this is no slouch, as this ability to rotate in one hand really nicely. And this, guys, this spins and clicks at the same time. So I mean, you have 3 varieties of gamers for every taste, and each one you're gonna pick of these guys, I'm probably sure that you're not gonna regret it, and you're not gonna be disappointed. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you like the video, just like the video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.